Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing just sweater weather nails. I call them sweater weather nails. Sweater nails. It's a new trend. It's not a new trend. I've seen it years ago, but I never really got to try it because I wasn't doing nails years ago. But you can do this with only using gel and a liner pen. A liner, you know, the liner brush. So I am going to be using my liner brush from my nail box that I received. If you guys didn't get to see that video, make sure you check it out. I did a box opening from my first nail boxy. All right, I'll have the October one coming up soon. Anyway guys, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and let's get started. All right, so the gel that I'm using is from Gel and it's all black. I wanted to try black because I don't know, something about black clothes, black sweaters. I love it. You know, anything neutral too. I'm going to try different colors, of course. Not in this video, but you know. So I'm taking that liner brush and I'm doing a design that I've seen most people use. It's a very common design. It's a very common design on sweaters. The cable knit sweaters we're talking about specifically. You'll see that design all the time. So I wanted to mimic that. And I'm just doing like these little squiggly lines going up in formation up the nail. I'm doing coffin. I see most people will do like a different nail, like maybe almond shaped or short square, but I don't know, coffin just already gives me the look I want, so I wanted to use coffin. So I didn't record the beginning half because I feel like I can just tell you what I did. So I did 3 coats of black gel, cured them all, you know, different times, but I did 3 coats just to make sure that black is not see-through at all. I really wanted to be not translucent at all, not transparent. Oh god, look at me. So I didn't want it to be transparent, like not even a little bit. And then I do a matte, I use a matte top coat to give it the matte look, because you want it to be, you know, matte. It just looks better, it comes out better, you know what I mean? Have you ever seen a shiny cable knit sweater? Just think about that. But so as I'm doing the designs with my liner brush, this is my first time trying, by the way, so it's not perfect, but it is really simple and easy, and I'm glad to show you guys what I did. Using my liner brush, doing a couple more designs that you might usually see on nail. I'm on a sweater, a cable knit sweater. All right. So, trying to get into focus here. It's really annoying. I need help with my camera. I use my phone, by the way, and I can never get it to like focus correctly. I'm just not tech savvy. I'm not as tech savvy as I thought I was. So back to what we were doing. There we go. I think I got it. Okay, yeah, so back to what we were doing. I'm just going to do a couple like marks on the side. There we go. Making it look more realistic. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. For some reason, my eyes didn't help me out and it's not as symmetrical as I wanted it to be. But, hold on, sweetie. Sorry, my daughter's talking. I'm doing a voiceover, by the way. But it came out, you know, I think it turned out nice. I can do a lot better. So as I go on, I will get better, you know. This is my first time again, guys. It's my first time practicing. Don't forget. So yeah, this is the tricky part. You need clear acrylic. So you need the clear acrylic because this is before you do anything to the nail. Like before you even cure it. You don't want to cure it yet. You need the clear acrylic. Use a scoop or whatever you use. I'm going to use a press-on nail, another press-on nail, to scoop up my clear acrylic. Here we go. I'm using Valentino brand. Valentino Beauty Pure. It's my favorite. All right, so I'm going to use that brand. And what you want to do is get a scoop. Okay, so I'm just going to scoop a little bit out. And then remember, this is before you cure it at all. You know, you don't want to cure it because it's not going to stick. The acrylic powder is not going to stick. So you're just pouring it over. Make sure you get everywhere. I saw in the last, like in my results, that I missed a couple places. So, you know, just really make sure you get everywhere. I could have done a better job at that, but you know, first time. Anyway, you want to really tap off the excess. I did blow it like out of, just to make sure I got everything off. But now I'm going to use my little UV lamp from MacArt. It's the portable one, you know, it's the USB one you hook up to your computer or whatever USB port you use. So I'm just going to cure that for, I would say, I like to do 120 seconds. You know, that's kind of like when, it depends on what lamp you use. I did it with this one. This one is a smaller lamp and it doesn't like go, the lights don't go all the way around. So I cured it for a little longer because I just want to make sure it doesn't get messed up at all and it's fully cured. You know what I mean? But you want to cure it for as long as necessary. Okay, so as you can see, it's still a little dusty. So after you cure, you can go ahead and take a duster. You know, I got my cute little rose gold, or my gold duster I got from Amazon, guys. I really like it. But yeah, you want to dust off that excess powder and really get it to look like there's no dust. Like I already said, there are some parts where I didn't really get the acrylic powder on there good enough. You can see that with the lines, basically. You can see that. But I'm sorry I keep going out of frame. I'm just like really trying to get the dust off. So look at that, guys. It's like a cute cable knit sweater design on a nail. How cute is that? Perfect for the winter. Perfect. I have a question. If I were to do a couple sets of these on my Etsy shop, would you guys be interested in that? Like, would you purchase? And for what price? You know? Because I'm not really good at prices. But because it's so easy to make, I wouldn't charge a lot. So yeah, there are the cable. I mean the sweater. I keep saying the cable. These are the sweater weather nails. Sweater weather. The sweater nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm getting some more excess off. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!